తర్వాత రండి రండి సార్.
బల్బులు లేవా దాంట్లో బ్యాటరీ లేవా?
హాస్పిటల్ 3 గేట్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్. 3 గేట్స్ ఒక గేట్ కీపర్ ఒకటే కాడ ఉండి ఈ గేట్స్ ని కంట్రోల్ చేసుకుంటాడు. ఈ మోడల్ ని మాడిఫికేషన్ చేసుకుంటారు సార్. ఇది టచ్ సెన్సార్ అంట. ఈ టచ్ సెన్సార్ టచ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా
My name is Falguni sir. Today I am here to this is my exhibit. His name is wall decor with pistachio shells. So I had think that I had eaten pistachio shells. So what I do with these shells? So I thought that I want to make a craft. So I had made this.
Okay, good one. Okay, good activity. Okay. You want to tell? So what is your experience?
Hydraulic lifter.
Okay.
So when a small downward force acts on it,
Okay.
the heavy object moves easily.
Okay.
When we pull it back,
Okay.
the heavy object comes downwards.
Okay.
We see them in showrooms and automobile shops.
Okay. Is there any principle include this one?
So Pascal's principle.
Okay. Right. Good. So what is your activity?
Solar system.
Solar system. Okay. How you made this one? And how it is works? Okay. Okay, you made a chart. Okay, show me.
So code numbers.
Okay, okay, right. Okay, right. Next. So what is your experiment? May I know?
Electrostatic force.
How it works?
సార్ దువ్వెన మనము నెత్తికి రుద్దుకొని ఇక్కడ పెడితే పేపర్స్ అనేవి అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతాయి.
Okay, right. So what is your experiment?
సార్
Ah.
వాటర్ ప్యూరిఫైయర్.
Uh-huh.
మనం ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడైనా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు సార్ బకెట్లో వాటర్ ఫిల్ చేసి
Okay, can you explain in English? Okay.
సార్ we are going another village or anything.
Okay.
సార్
So it will purify the water. Okay.
no sir. So you fill water in the bucket. So then only air is come and dust is put it. So then only that water is for waste. So then only that water is don't waste.
Okay.
Then it's that one.
Okay, right.
It is
Okay. So what is the use of that one?
Microscope.
onion cells seeing from
Okay. Okay.
seeing for
We can easily see the cells of onion. Okay. Right. By putting that onion into the microscope. Okay. Right. Okay.